the city fireworks are like, they put up whole bunches at one time. And then
A couple weeks ago when Campo came into first place for the first time ever, they had fireworks like that for about 20 minutes.
Yep, that's the way
like
the city does it too.
Yeah, double race.
Don't call them double rays no more.
Oh, they changed the name.
Rays.
Oh, yeah?
They went from bottom for 50 years.
I like double race.
No more. They're putting up quite a few here at the end. Oh, yeah, wouldn't that be nice? That's it. What's it?
Yeah, I think so.
No, they changed their name from the Devil Rays to the Rays.
They really officially came.
It's done.
Fire department started to set them off one at a time as the next door goes through.
Throw your cigar on the box, Brad.
That's it.
Let's go.
It's going to be pretty. That's the cool part, when it rumbles through the hills. That's so cool.
Yep. Okay, getting back to the Rays. 10 years since their inception, they were in the bottom. Okay? They changed the name to the Rays, they're in the top.
Took the word devil out there in the
They
top.
call it Devil Eye. And you wouldn't believe how many people believe that was a real